my name is Jinkai. Today I'm going to talk about smart farm, revolutionary technologies in agricultural processes. In this video, I'm going to cover technologies overview. Why is smart farm needed? How can AI improve agriculture? IoT-based smart farm, agricultural robots, agricultural drones, and the future outlook. What is smart farm? Smart farming refers to managing farms using technologies such as AI, IoT, robotics, and drones to increase quantity and quality of product while optimizing the human labor required by production. AI helps farmers gain insight into information. The data-centric approaches using AI and machine learning improve agricultural yields and quality. IoT uses remote sensors and a computer image combined with machine learning and analytical tools provide the data to farm to develop farm management plans. The main goal of the agricultural robots is the automation of field activities, meaning saving farmers' time on dual regular tasks. The drones are equipped with AI software and can perform a variety of aerial applications. Technologies available today. First is data analytic solutions, utilize data and create predictive analytics. Second, sensing technologies, get real-time data and help farm management. Third, hardware and software systems replace human labor with automation. Both software applications are specialized software and IoT platforms. Communication systems include mobile services and applications. Finally, telematic positioning technologies is the global positioning system that benefits fieldwork such as mapping and surveying. Technology-driven crop yields improvement of 70% is achievable by 2050 by a combination of precise planting, fertilizer application, irrigation, spraying, and autonomous driving applications. With adoption started in developed markets, this translates a total addressable market of precision farming for 240 billion by 2050, with the majority components featured in this figure. Why is smart farm needed? The world's population will increase by 2 billion people by 2050, requiring a 60% increase in food productivity to feed them. In the US alone, growing, processing, and distributing food is the $1.7 trillion business. AI and ML are already show the potential to help close the gap in anticipated food needs. Spending on AI technologies and solution alone in agriculture is predicted to grow to 4 billion in 2026. There are 10 ways AI can potentially improve agriculture. First, use AI-based surveillance system to monitor crop fields, identify animals or human breaches, sending alert immediately. Second, improve crop yield prediction through a real-time sensor data and visual analytics data from drones. Three, perform field mapping with ML algorithm to find patterns in large-scale data sets in real time. 4. Pioneer drone data combined with in-ground sensor to improve pest management. 5. Make AI-based smart tractors and robots a viable option for many remote agricultural operations. 6. Improve the track and the traceability of agricultural supply chains by removing roadblocks to get fresher, safer crops to the market. 7. Optimize the right mix of biodegradable pesticides and limit their application to reduce cost. 8. Forecast the price for crops based on yield rates and define pricing strategies. 9. Find the irrigation leaks, optimize irrigation systems. And last, monitor livestock's health, include the vital signs, daily activity levels, and the food intake, ensure their health. Internet of Things, IoT, describes the network of physical objects that are embedded with sensor software and other technologies. IoT-based smart farming follows a cycle like this one. Observation, sensor record observational data. Diagnostics, examine the object and define any deficiencies or needs. Decisions, determine whether location specific treatment is necessary, or if so, which. Action, after end user evaluation and action, the cycle repeats from the beginning. IoT makes farming more controlled and accurate. The biggest difference from the classical approach is that precision farming allows decisions to be made per square meter or even per plant animals rather than for a field. By precisely measuring variation with field, farmers can boost the effectiveness of pesticides and the fertilizers or use them selectively. IoT technologies will be widely used in greenhouse and the livestock farming in the future and brings a huge market, as the figure shows. As the graph shows, according to the International Labour Organization, agricultural laborers has been declining for the past few decades globally. Such decline for the workforce is encouraging farming automation technologies. As a result, the market for agricultural robots will grow significantly in recent years and will reach $11.5 billion in 2023. Agricultural drone technology has been improving in the last few years, and the benefits of drones in the agriculture are becoming more apparent to farmers. Drone application in agriculture range from mapping and surveying to crop dusting and spraying. Increased automation stemming from lack of skills resources and the labor crisis will also bolster agricultural drone demand. There are numerous types of agricultural drones on the market already. Smart farm will have a huge potential in the future in order to cope with the increasing demand for the quantity and the quality of food production and the scarcity of skilled labor. It is an inevitable trend to make agriculture thoroughly intelligent. At present, many AI agricultural projects are in the early stage of development, but they have proved to improve farming and seem to continue to do so in the future. The demand for such technology will still remain high. Thanks for watching.